What's up friends, and welcome to this video. Today friends, I will show you how to transfer money from Alipay to your Wise account. Let's dive in on this video. First step friends, open your Alipay account, and the first step you need to do, click add now. You should be add your card now. You should be set up your payment password for your payment. For example, choose any password, and then all you have to do friends, you just follow me in the steps. Go to, for example, balance, and you should be friends add your Wise account, add your card Wise to your Alipay. For example, choose this amount from here. You should be have amount from here, and you should be recharge your account, recharge, and then go your Wise account. After go your Wise account friends, you should be go to your card, and should be add your credit card to your Alipay. This is to complete your steps and to send your money. Add your all details card to your Alipay from this section friends, from this card section. Add your all details from here. This is how you can do, and you will transfer easily money from your Alipay to your Wise account without any problems. I hope this video helpful for your friends. Don't forget to give me a like and share this video for more content, and see you another video soon. These details guys, you should become from this, from card Wise, from physical digital card or physical card. I hope this video helpful for your friends. Don't forget to give me a like and share this video for more content, and see you another video soon. These details guys, you should become from this, from card Wise, from